While everybody centers around Bitcoin and Ethereum, different open doors probably won't be on many individuals' radar. The OMG tokens are in the information at their vertical cost expectations and getting more financial backer consideration due to how they perform contrasted with the opposition. OMG organization is gradually taking off, acquiring market inclusion. The most recent news inclusion of this misjudged coin is getting additional consideration from the market-changing exchanging choices. We should figure out more about the OMG organization project and the story behind it. The outline of OMG organization. OMG organization is a Layer 2 scaling arrangement that has worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It permits clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens less expensive and quicker than making those exchanges straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. The OMG organization was established by Chadakavanji, a Thai resident working as an auxiliary of SYNQA, which is a Thailand-based fintech organization. It is a decentralized, public organization that permits high-throughput, minimal-expense, shared exchanges. With it, anybody can execute a scheme across topographies, resource classes, and applications. The OMG network permits one to get to, make do, and execute utilizing computerized resources that are put away safely on the blockchain. The organization depends on a scaling arrangement known as more viable plasma. It utilizes a sidechain designed to make a cluster of a few exchanges, which can then be confirmed utilizing a solitary exchange on the Ethereum root chain. As per OMG organization, this innovation can possibly scale Ethereum to huge number of exchanges each second. This is way higher than whatever Ethereum 1.0 can deal with, which is 10 to 14,000 exchanges each second. The plasma-based sidechain design likewise permits it to increment productivity while diminishing carbon impression by decreasing the power utilization up to 99% contrasted with Ethereum. This is cosmically high while additionally diminishing expenses up to 66% of the typical charge. This is finished while ensuring that the resources remain got by the Ethereum blockchain network. As per the site, OMG organization is likewise getting a rebrand as OMG establishment, with millions brought up in the last round of subsidizing around $80 million in Series C financing. OMG at long last sees a few achievement and genuinely necessary acknowledgement from the crypto market. In the same way as other digital forms of money, the administration holds some stock of the complete portion of coins. As the greatest inventory is fixed, there is supposed to be a most extreme cap of precisely 140,245,398 OMG at the present time. Dissimilar to numerous other digital forms of money, the ongoing cost going off is being credited to financial backer energy. OMG Organization Group is carrying out a few new turns of events, which should be visible on their undertaking site. OMG token holders are qualified for BOBA administration token, which has been in the news as of late. As indicated by the undertaking site, BOBA organization is an Ethereum Layer 2 hopeful roll-up scaling arrangement. The point is to decrease gas charges, further develop the exchange throughput and expand the capacities of brilliant agreements. Named BOBA organization, the venture is a Layer 2 arrangement that will permit exchanges of most cryptographic forms of money to have an installment cycle at a lightning-quick speed. This will expand the perceivability of cryptos as a practical opponent to Visa and MasterCard. Assuming this innovation has an impact on the way how the world handles monetary standards, it will be the following huge thing in the fintech world. We should investigate industry specialists and best digital currency estimate stages perspectives on the OMG organization cost forecasts. In view of our OMG cost expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The OMG organization cost estimate for 2026 is $19.23. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 283.72%. OMG organization cost has been showing a rising propensity, and our information demonstrates that the OMG cost has been on an upswing for the beyond 1 year. The future cost of OMG is anticipated at $26.01 following a year, as per our expectation. OMG organization cost has been showing a rising inclination, and our information demonstrates that the OMG cost has been on an upswing for the beyond 1 year. The future cost of OMG is anticipated at $26.01 following a year, as indicated by our expectation. OMG organization value forecasts 2022 to 2026. As the reception rate for Ethereum Layer 2 arrangements keeps on rising, it will be great for OMG organization too. The OMG cost expectation for 2022 will undoubtedly be great as the value keeps on taking off new high with just about 300% return in the beyond couple of months. The OMG organization estimate is around $5.01 until further notice as the unpredictability hasn't hit its most extreme cutoff. In light of the OMG cost expectations, it is a decent long-haul speculation choice. Putting your cash in OMG organization is a decent choice for the future as it has kept an uplifting perspective. OMG Value Expectation 2022. With the OMG cost expectation for 2022 around $5.47, it will probably be the year when the eventual fate of OMG organization will fundamentally consider the cost diagram it structures. The OMG value estimate of $6.53 is sensibly protected assuming the reception rate proceed. The worth of OMG will increment after some time as it gathers the consideration of the crypto local area. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, the OMG value pattern will keep on reflecting potential gain energy according to our OMG organization conjecture. Thus, the OMG cost is supposed to reach $6.58 this year. For long-haul OMG organization cost expectations, fundamental specialized investigation is required. Regarding industry arrangements, the OMG token offers a couple. The OMG organization runs a bug abundance program, which rewards developers to track down mistakes inside the organization and assists with fixing those issues. This motivator to find issues in the organization makes it very great, as any issues that will be found could be accounted for back to the advancement group, and the issues could be fixed. This will empower the OMG organization to remain protected from bugs over the long haul. OMG Value Expectation 2024. The OMG coin will stay in the vertical cost pattern in 2024. By 2024, the OMG cost is supposed to be around $7.15 in view of our OMG organization cost forecast. The base cost can go up to $6.17 in the event that the market stays bullish. On the drawback, the OMG organization cost could confront a cost drop, yet it will remain over its help level of $9.13. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2025. In 2025, the future might be great for OMG organization cost as it acquires the reception rates it was searching for. The worth gave to the clients will empower it to remain in the best 50 cryptos in those years. The dangers implied with the OMG are non-existent as it intends to carry out a superior element sooner rather than later. OMG Organization Value Expectations 2026. It is as yet prescribed to do possess research not to confuse the individual gamble. The OMG cost estimate framework will have a remark about the cost of OMG organization. Yet either exchanging or contributing ought to be done when one knows about the crypto market gambles and the latest thing. What's to come results might be unique. However, every individual's gamble resilience is unique, which makes it different concerning what a piece of wise speculation counsel is. Be that as it may, the OMG coin holds the possibility to be a productive venture which will be reflected soon later on cost of OMG organization. Is OMG organization a wise speculation? In light of our cost estimate, the OMG organization is a wise speculation. Be that as it may, the crypto market is unstable, so clients need to investigate a long time before they trade OMG organization. Is the ongoing OMG cost rally going to be fleeting? Right now, in view of the cost volume activity, we have a tendency to look for predetermined feedback that OMG organization